Hi everyone, welcome to Blinded King game. So this game designed by the EcoQuest game. So I will be a guy who gonna tutor how to play the game. So this game would be one of the simplest game that we have so far. So there will be 5 ranks of the people. So 5 ranks of the class. So there will be King, Knight, Joker, and Soldier, and the Peasant. So the highest rank can eliminate either one of them, but the lower one cannot eliminate the higher one. So this is a game. Once you guys start the games, you have to put this card into your hand. So competitor need to hide it from the others. So this game is like how you gonna play. So for example, you gotta choose the knight to put it into either one of here. So for example, I put it over here. The enemy, the competitor, need to put it. For example, if he put it over here, the blue, when coming to the turn, the blue cannot attack the red, unless if that person, once they just put them together like this or like this, something like this, you can attack this alignment or straightforward also fine. Within this radius, you can eliminate anyone. Once I choose to eliminate, so I have to ask him. So either you can open his card and compare with your card. This one will both dead. So the next one, if for example, if you're gonna put the soldier down here, the soldier cannot eliminate the knight, so the soldier would get eliminated. But if the peasant try to get rid of the knight, also cannot work as well. Okay, I will make it something more understanding. If I become an attacker to attack the peasant, this person, right? I have to ask him to open it, right? And then knight can eliminate the peasant. So that means the peasant would die, and then the knight will be replaced. So this is how it's working. So the lower one cannot eliminate the high. And I have one more thing I have to teach you too. When the soldier try to attack the knight, the soldier would die, but the knight cannot be replaced due to it is a defender. One last thing I have to tell you this. We can put anywhere you like, but the king cannot put into the middle. This is the rules of the game. So the king can kill the king, and nobody in the lower class can eliminate the king. So that's how the game works. So in the future, who would like to play this game, it's simpler than the chess. Also one of the most popular games that we had so far. So I hope you guys like it. To make sure that you guys already like and subscribe our game, and I hope you guys gonna purchase our game as well. So we will participate more broad game events in the future. I hope you guys following up on us on either social network, but so far we have only Instagram. So there's one more thing. Once somebody who already put the card, all of them into the field, right? And then there would be, for example, I remain over here, right? Like this, right? But most of my chess piece already dead, belong to him, something like that. So how do we win the game? In this case, we're gonna count the how many people who standing over here will count 2 equal to 1, and if he have more dead man with him, so whoever achieve the most score will win. So this is how the game works. So I hope you like it. See you around. Goodbye.